Imagine glowing, floating balls of light during thunderstorms. Ball lightning is a rare and poorly understood phenomenon where luminous spheres appear, sometimes entering homes through windows. Scientists believe it could be related to unusual chemical reactions or electromagnetic activity. With reports dating back centuries, this enigmatic event continues to fascinate researchers. Theories abound, from micrometeors to unusual plasma formations. As we continue to unravel the mystery, one thing is certain. Ball lightning is a breathtaking display of nature's power, leaving us with more questions than answers about the universe. Follow for more mind-bending science.